Senate President AKPABIO don't talk say im go always support women's rights, as im promise say im go stand gidigba for women's rights until the day im kpai. Oga AKPABIO make this promise for one event for Abuja on Thursday when the Niger Senate organized to celebrate International Women's Day 2025. The theme of this year's celebration na Accelerate Action, Economic and Political Inclusion Walk the Talk. AKPABIO come here and say im go continue to work for gender equality for Niger and come make one strong promise say im go push for the passing of 5 important gender bills wey Senate dey discuss now. The Senate President come also talk say women get important role for leadership and governance and say women sabi manage wella and make strong decisions. He come here and say women get plenty wahala for political spaces and say women sef no dey too vote for female candidates, and that one na barrier wey dem need to fix to make sure say women get better representation for politics.
Tinkering with the act to enable women, the Electoral Act, to enable women to have solid say in the parliament will do so. Women are better managers. I can say that women are better managers. But sometimes women can be harder than men. Yes, when they take decisions, they take decisions. But they are very prudent in all aspects of life. If you didn't manage us well, we won't even get here. That's a simple truth. Mine is to assure you that on this Women's Day, I pledge before you that the National Assembly will work closely with all the women leaders.
On top of the sexual accusation matter, AKPABIO come also talk say false accusation not good, say it not only they affect the person where them accused, but it go spoil the credibility of institution and even the whole women's rights movement.
Condemn all issues of sexual harassment that are not fake. We must tell women not to use tears to look for sentiment when they are making false accusations. We must also let women know that governance is not about vanity. So if a common seat can cause the kind of ulubalo, and then you ask why don't you want to move from the seat, and somebody sits on television and says that is the only place that the camera catches me well. Are we doing beauty contests in the Senate? It's a serious place. It's not a place that you come to look for camera to catch you.
Earlier, the Minister of Women Affairs, Emma and Suleiman Ibrahim, contrary salute for the good work wey Niger women don't do. She come also chook mouth on top the big step wey Senate don't take to support women, especially the big increase 1,000% where the ministry budget gets. She can talk say it is important to continue to push for more women for leadership positions and to make sure them get strong policies wey go empower women.
This is such an interesting time to be a Nigerian woman. It's also a powerful time. Because for the first time in the history of Nigeria, we have the biggest budget, a 1,000% increase. It's never happened in Nigeria before. It means that we have more resources, and without resources, you can do nothing. All of our policies are outdated. Some are even 23 years old. We don't have the guidelines, we don't have frameworks. So with resources, we can be able to reach more women, and we can be able to even galvanize for more and strengthen, domestic allocation next time. I would like to, on this note, recognize and appreciate Mr. President, His Excellency President Bola Tinubu GCFR, for his commitment and show of the highest level of political will and prioritization for all issues that concern women, children, families, and the vulnerable.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk them. We know the take blame. Akata Ojisile reporting for TMC TV.